I don't know about you, but I'm a sucker for buffet restaurants. When food is plentiful and in abundance, I take all you can eat a little bit too literally. You stack your gigantic plate of food and shove it down your throat as if it's your last meal. Although your belly is full to the point that it hurts to breathe, you just can't help but pick at your plate. The result is that all too familiar feeling of sickness and regret. So why do we do it? Turns out it's a cognitive weakness. Our brains are bound by our genetic legacy to our hunter-gatherer ancestors, who, uncertain of their next meal, instinctively ate as much as possible whenever possible. The more food that's readily available to us, the more we eat. It's hardwired into our DNA. So it turns out this behavioral flaw actually applies to other areas of our life, including our finances. Have you ever been in a position where you receive a massive bunch of cash into your business bank account? Perhaps it was the payment of a large customer, or maybe it was your first round of funding from a VC. What's your first reaction? You think, woo, I'm cashed up. You feel rich. You feel wealthy. You feel the need to spend it quickly. As humans, we have this natural tendency to spend money as we see it. This can get us into a lot of trouble financially when we burn cash on unnecessary things. So the key to cash flow management is to split your money across multiple bank accounts. It's the equivalent of eating off smaller plates of food. So in your business, you have at least 3 bank accounts. The first one is for your transactions, your day-to-day spending and running of your business. The second bank account is for your taxes. So this is for your PAYG, your GST, your superannuation, and your income taxes. And then the third bank account is for your surplus cash. So that could be the surplus profit that you've generated so far in your business, or also just where if you've got investors, that's where the money goes as well. Every month, what you do is generate a report from your accounting system and actually understand exactly 2 things. First one, what were your tax liability for the period? So what was the GST and PAYG and super liability? And the other component you want to look at is what was your cash profit for the period? So what was the actual cash you generated for the period? Now get those 2 amounts and actually transfer them from your transactions account to your taxes and your profit account. The key to it is actually keeping as little money as possible in your transactions account so you're not tempted to spend your surplus money when you see it. Remember, if you can't resist temptation to spend your sweet, sweet moolah, remove temptation completely. Use multiple bank accounts.